Let's see. Where we gonna stand at? Right here? Let's stand right here, Keith. Now, Keith Holden.
Yes, sir.
Let's see here. You've been working faithfully in Spartanburg School 2 for, I think, right at 41 years. Is
41,
that?
yes,
41
sir.
years, all right? And now I've only been in Spartanburg 2 for like 3 years.
Right.
And I cannot tell you how many emails, how many text messages, when I'm in schools, principal come up to me and say something about Keith Holden. You know something? In those 3 years, I've never heard a negative word said about you.
Super.
It is always positive. It is always, when I call Keith, Keith is here. When I need Keith, Keith is here.
Yes, sir.
When something goes wrong at my school, Keith is here. And for those folks who could be watching on the video, they might not know what your position is. So he's our director of maintenance for 41 years. And I can't imagine how many times that you've been called upon in those years prior to my coming on board, all right? But I know you've never let us down. You've never failed us. You're always there. And I think about a principal. A principal really works 24/7 all the time for one school.
Right.
You work 24/7 for 15 schools.
Yes,
You know what I'm saying? So your phone is never turned off. I bet you sleep with your phone right there on your chest because you know somebody's going to be calling you at any time, right?
Yes, sir.
So I just had, now again, I've had multiple emails, multiple text messages, multiple conversations with folks, but this week I got a email from Michelle Kimbrell, and she was just talking about all the great things you've done for her and her school specifically, and she nominated you as our difference maker of the week. So we're going to celebrate you as our difference maker of the week, and we're going to celebrate you as a difference maker for 41 years in our district.